Look at that. Look at that view, baby.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
What's the name of the canal again? I forgot.
The Chagres River.
Ah, okay. Chagres River.
Look at the little
I know.
tree platform.
I know. Woo! Look at that. Look at that.
Beautiful.
That's like tree house. Tree house, baby.
Well, they're using that now for zip lining.
Ah,
So
I like zip line. Where we can do the zip line here.
right here,
Oh, okay.
they offer that. You have to talk to the hotel.
Oh, they do.
Ah.
They offer the zip line. Okay.
Let's do it, baby. Let's do it together, baby. Woo! The first time I went to the zip line, I ride the zip line. Zip line, it's like that was in Eden, and then from the start until the end, I just keep shouting, "Ah!" Hi guys, Manong Juday here. We're here still in the Gamboa Rainforest Resort. Mani ilang trail diri, nasa trail. Nako diri sa jungle. I'm here in Panama anyway. Panama, country of Panama. Tara akong pana dito. Dili mo siya paapil sa akong vlog. Okay guys, see you. Enjoy. Anyway guys, maadto mi dito, kato dito layo kayo. Astang layo Nasakat-kat mi dito, tara akong bana. Uy! Uy! Gikapoy na ko. Look at that. Uy! Naglukan ako, yabi na ako, nabulasot ako. Layo pa kayo. I think one more. Gikan mi sa ubos. Nice kayang view. Sige, libot kami hantod mabot mi sa tumoy. We're still here in Gamboa. Wow! Look at that! Woo! I'm fine here. Okay, boat dito. Mana siya canal, but it's a pan.
It was perfect here just a minute ago. You could
Ah.
have gotten a good picture.
That's a canal, the canal in Panama. Woo! Pero ang boat mana siya gitawag og Canal de Panama. Wow, very nice here. Look at that. Look at that view. Look at that view, baby.
Yeah.
Wow. Oops.
The Americans.
Mauricio.
Mauricio, yeah.
Our name of the tour guide is Mauricio. Look at that view, baby.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Beautiful.
That's the part of the Panama in the canal Panama.
Canal, but this is part of the river.
Lake-
the river
lake.
that feeds the river that feeds the canal.
Wow.
Largest man-made lake in the world in 1914, and Gatun Dam was the largest man-made dam in the world, and both of them were shrunk out of that position in the early 30s when Lake Mead was created, Hoover Dam, and nowadays, that's right, and nowadays, 100 years later, both of them are not even in the top 100. So you can see how much we've come a long way in just 100 years. Those things are not even in the top 100. Now to the point where you can
Mo din siyang gitawag og Canal de Panama.
That's pretty wary. Usually we get to see those in March.
That's nice.
December, so we can see them. That's we definitely need a little more rain if we want to go through the whole. It gets no, but to the point where the canal has to.
Nag-agi na ang boat sa Canal de Panama.
They have to add ships to carry less tonnage. You know, where they have to regulate the amount of transits they get a day, when they have to try to maximize the room inside the locks at the same time, so more ships go through at the same time. Usually they tandem them, put them all together as much as they possibly can. So there's a lot of water management over the end.
Wow.
And specifically in really strong El Nino years, in 1992 was one, a few years ago was another one. The canal has to definitely take a lot of control of the water.
We'll get some of this.
It's not an unlimited resource. And you gotta remember, all this is fresh water. All fresh water from rainwater. So all fresh rainwater comes from the river. And like if this wasn't enough, the Chagres River was actually dancing twice. There's another lake upstream that the Americans built in the 30s. And this water was not going to be enough.
Ah, ito yung mga boat po.
Of the river, it's called
Ito yung mga boat dito.
and the Lake Alajuela is the
Yeah, I
second water.
can see if it's okay, because it looked a little dark.
Follow this river up the mountain.
Oh, you did great.
You'll see that other dam and you get to that other artificial lake. And those are the two water runs through the canal. One single ship goes to the canal, 50 million gallons of fresh water flushed to the ocean. Just for one dock. So that's a lot of water.
You just click this one here. Yeah.
Hi guys, we're still here in the Gamboa Rainforest Resort. Look at the view. This is Mandy here. We're still here in Panama.
This is the tower of
Take a picture of us. Let it first take a picture. Which way is the best picture? This corner. This corner is okay. You should know.
crocodile. Crocodile. Is it say cheese? In Philippines we say cheese. In Panama you say crocodile. MSC, sakay na, Miss Sharon Cuneta. Shout out Miss Sharon Cuneta, sakay na ka na may barko. MSC. Pero hold on ako eh. Nagyapon mi sa trail, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Man, still man ang piday here. Nagyapon mi sa jungle. Okay, just read. Let me say.
I can't tell.
Anything.
All right.
Hi, guys. Manang piday here. Welcome, welcome to the Gamboa Rainforest Resort. Hi, 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 hi. I didn't say it yet. We're still here in Gamboa Rainforest Resort. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
All right.
Babush. This is the cable car. Sakay mi ana, sakay mi ana. Right, guys, we're going down now. Going down na. Mag-going down na may. Going up man may ganina. Karon kay going down na. We're still here in Gamboa Rainforest. It's really nice here, baby.
Beautiful.
See the
That
view.
view was spectacular up there.
Yeah. Spectacular. It means beautiful, amazing, everything.
Yeah.
Bisig ako ray wa kabalogon sa spectacular. Oops. Let's see how many minutes going down. Maybe 10 minutes.
Yeah.
They should.
Probably. Go down a trail.
Yeah. Naog na mi guys. Panaog na mi. Ay, dalan dito. Yan. I wish I can see more fruit trees, you know.
Uh-huh.
They said it's lots of fruit trees here, but it's not season.
Not the season, yeah.
Naantay mga avocado dire, marang, rambutan, durian, lanzones, everything. But I don't see any leaves. Even the leaves of the plant that I know. Ay, kasugat. Say hi. Tarang mangki nagbitay-bitay.
Probably a lot. There are two of them.
Yeah,
More of them.
la.
There's several. Look, there's
Yeah,
another
I know.
one.
No, it's plenty.
A whole tree full of them.
I know. Oh, there's another one there. Sleeping. Look at the monkey. And there's another one there. Oh,
a
dagang monkey.
whole tree full of monkeys.
Yeah, tara, dagang kaig monkey. Yeah, Tara, dagang kaig monkey dito. Nagbitay-bitay. Ito pa isa. Monkey up on the tree. Try monkey, oh monkey.
Hang it upside down.
I know. Wala, matagak gani ka niya. Call, matagak ka niya. Call. The monkey. It's a lot. Dagan ka dito. Wala, tara. Dagan ka sila.